Cowen regarding airlines says, given the late nature of oil prices spike in Q3, expects only a modest impact to current quarterly earnings outlook.
Testing the entry on crude oil, no fill. Speak of the devil. Is that order filled on crude oil? So let's see here. In terms of the overall look on crude oil, so far, I mean, the big thing that's standing out here is simply the fact that we have a huge candle gap, a huge swing gap going on here. See if we have a difference. So in terms of upside objectives, it looks like we've probably reached it, yeah. And that's where some of this resistance is coming from at 60.73. So the swing gap to the upside is kind of done, which means that I'm looking for a, not necessarily a lower high, but I'm not looking for as extreme of a target. I'm looking for the opposing 50, which is what I'm waiting for at the moment. So 60.47, you know me, I don't like putting it directly on a level, so I'll firm up a little bit. 60.44 is what I'm waiting for currently. We're going to be dealing with some whippy markets today. Target filled on crude oil. First target filled on crude oil. Now the last one is a run looking for 60, technically 60, 67, but I'm going to go to 64. Could you explain your crude trades? Yeah, I'm buying the pullback in a massively strong uptrend. Look at the percentage crude oil's up right now. 11%. Okay, 3 more percent, and we're potentially at another limit up. So anything but buying is irrelevant. I don't care about anything other than buying. But I still need to make sure that I'm buying in the right place. Right? I'm not willing to buy at an area of non-interest. Right? I need a pullback zone, a previous level of structure, something. Right? Well, let's line this up, right? We opened up with a monstrous gap. Remember, we're up 11.16% right now, and that's with crude oil at 60.95. Go back a little bit here and realize that crude oil, when we opened up, made a high of 63.34. Okay? This is not a small move. So when you have that kind of momentum, we have a major high and a major low. The first bounce that was put in, 60.10 and a high of 63.34. Now, the reason 60.10 is important isn't because, oh, that was the low of that initial drive. It proved itself to be important, right? We have support here. We have support here. Breakdown candle there showing that something was there. When the market returned, resistance, resistance, resistance. Something is obviously going on at 60.10. If we go back a little bit further, we have a previous swing high that we broke out of very aggressively. So we have a breakout of a swing high, coupling that with the fact that there is a obvious massive amount of accumulation in this zone, right in the swing high at that exact area of interest. So when we broke back above it, you better believe I'm buying that pullback. All right, stop is locked in at 61.13. It's either going to be the stop or the target now. Can it move 20 ticks higher or 20 ticks lower?
However, compared to the S&P 500 in the futures, we're not seeing that similar spike. Oh, we're still saying that the risk moved upwards, but it is not as strong compared to the Russell 2000.
What a trade on crude oil. Man, oh man. Yeah, I don't know. That it didn't work. It didn't work. Maybe because it only hit 26 and didn't go to 27, but I told it when it equals 26, it's supposed to place the order. Guess not. Whoa! 38 targets at 40. I'm not giving it back. 26 is the stop. Oh, come on, Crude. You're going to come 2 ticks away and then back off? One more pop at the end of the candle. Oh, double top. Come on. Come on. Well, it didn't pop at the end of the candle. It did do what I asked it to do. It just didn't do enough of it. Thanks, Crude. I appreciate the effort. Stop is still in 61.26. It's going to be a phenomenal trade regardless. Nice pop to the upside there on the S&P, forming a little bit of candle gapping here between 19 and 21. Stopped out of Crude, 61.26. Stopped out of Crude, 61.26. What a move.